Hey, yo! How are we doing? We're doing this again because it was really fun the last time. I'm gonna make this a thing. Every Friday, we do a sample clip. So, today's sample. I know this has been done before a lot, but we are doing ESA alarms, baby! I cut down like a couple that I thought were interesting. And we're gonna be using these. Ow. And I figured out, this is one of Norway's ones. It's straight out of Outlast. Also, one thing I'm doing for myself, I am not gonna be able to choose what genre I make. So I have made a wheel, and I will be making drum and bass. All right, interesting. All right, start. Let's get the sample in here. I think I'm gonna start off simply just by putting out some drums. If anyone's doing color-based, like, these are just perfect. There we go, finish song. Finish song. I think, honestly, we just, like, almost dry put this over. It will be kind of sick. I am going to cook, alright? Actually, I want to try and using, some of the racks I've been doing for the Patreon, which are not out yet. I'm still working on them. I think the metal one is what I want. I think if I just, like, put, like, a roller bass under this. Okay, if I'm struggling with the drop, let's just try and do an intro. But I need this to be like, I don't know, I want to be like a yoink type deal. That's kind of sick. Okay, you know what? Since this idea is getting me nowhere, let's just like scrap it for now. And, like, try and do something else. Cause like, if I get stuck on an idea, it's better for me to just like move on. It's just like, that sounds like the intro to like a movie. I think I can definitely do something with this little last. Well, that's a voice crack and a half. With this little dunk right here. Alright, and then we gotta do some weird shit to it. Alright, one thing we're gonna do now is take one of these little... There we go. It's actually ironically really pretty sound. It sounds like a kalimba. I kind of want to try use this somehow. I don't know how, but I'll fucking try, shall we? Whoa! That works so well! Did not expect to be able to use that. Alright, we have the main structure down. I just need to make this sound good. You know what? I think I'm done for now. I'll play my entire thing and mute my mic so you guys can hear it in full. This is what I made in about an hour and a half. For someone who never does drum and bass these days, not bad, I'll say. Not bad. Let's take a listen, shall we? The first up. Also, there is going to be a winner. And the winner does get a sub on the Twitch. So let's see. Madman, what you got?
Shit, fuck my ass.
That's sick. Alright, we got Dragon Sage. Oh, then there's just silence for like 30 seconds. Alright, run a minute. Ooh. That's so sick. What the fuck? You did that in like less than 2 hours? What the fuck? Alright, wait. Dragon Sage said to fix this. That is some high-end indeed. The winner gotta be Randoman tonight. So you sir get a sub from me. Like unironically, this could like fucking go on a thing. Like, if you put this on like an album or something, I would be like, oh, this is a cool little interlude. All right, we are going to do this again next Friday. I don't know what sample yet, but this is really fun. I love doing this. It's super fucking fun. All right, thank you all for coming here. We'll do this next week as well. See ya.